How many times have you had an idea but put it off for a day, which became a week, then a month, a year, and here we are, still just an idea? I've been there, I've done that, trying not to do it anymore. You see, overthinking kills ideas. Don't get me wrong, the important stuff like signing a big contract or similarly big decisions require careful thought prior to being carried out. You see, closing the time gap between having an idea and carrying it out is a skill that can be learned. No longer will be postponed taking the holiday, learning that language, asking that question, starting that business venture, speaking the truth. I find that acting upon an idea quickly actually helps you think more, which in turn helps you do more, and the cycle continues. By doing, you are able to speed up the process of learning and growing. That holiday was a much needed break. Why didn't I take it sooner? That business didn't quite work out to plan, but I've learned so much from the experience. Now on to the next one. Think a little, do a lot. If there's one thing I would encourage myself and others to do, is to dedicate our time to seek new experiences. Put your money and time into experiences which money itself can't buy. This is not to say that we shouldn't seize the opportunity to wear the best clothes, dine at the best restaurants, go on the most amazing holidays, stay at the best hotels, and enjoy the best of companies in family and friends. But don't forget to be present and acknowledge your experiences. Material things fade away, but experiences last a lifetime. Invest in experience. I'm hearing more and more from people these days that they don't have the choice to make a change of what they don't like. Most of the time it's to do with committing to a career change or making a decision on a relationship. In reality, What they're trying to say is that they foresee difficulties that may lie ahead when making these changes, masked with the unavailability of choices. Now, this may be true, don't get me wrong. Nobody said it was going to be easy, but the potential change that may come is confused with the idea that one does not have a choice. Now think about it. We are bombarded with choices daily. We have to make decisions, some easier than others, and some come with more challenging consequences than others. But don't confuse the idea that you don't have a choice to make a change with the potential challenge that may come with that decision. You do have a choice. It's just that it may challenge your status quo and the way you currently operate. Choose challenging choices and you may discover personal growth. Now choose wisely. Never underestimate the value of making your daily encounters personal. We meet many people every day. Some we know more than others, with different levels of personality. The cashier at the till, the security personnel at the bank, the janitor at the mall, the waiter at the restaurant, the barista at the coffee shop. Everyone has a story to tell, and it begins with their name. Relationships can be built by simply acknowledging a person's name, be it in your personal life, even more so in business. Next time you're out and have a chance encounter with someone new at the store, the mall, the bank, the restaurant, the coffee shop, or wherever you are, seize the opportunity to acknowledge the person's name. See how you can positively influence your conversation with them and make their day a little brighter. Make it personal. Everyone has a name.